Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install MSI Motherboard drivers for Windows 11. So search this URL msi.com support download, and after that here select motherboards, select product category motherboards, product type like MPG services, and product model. So you can select your desired model, then search it. So you will see available drivers. Just click on driver and download. And once you download, open that file. And right click on it and run as administrator. So this way you can download and install MSI Motherboard drivers for Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.